When you're bored, you might find yourself visiting platforms like YouTube to watch short clips about things that interest you. But did you know that by watching these YouTube videos, you could potentially earn money? I bet you didn't. In today's video, I'll share 7 websites with you. By using these websites, you could potentially earn more than $1,200 simply by watching YouTube videos. Now, let's dive into the video and get started. So, the first site on our list is grabpoints.com. And this is how the homepage would look like. Taking paid surveys, watching videos, completing offers, and installing apps are just a few of the ways to make money on this website. But since watching videos is our main topic, that's what we'll be paying about. Grabpoints.com has a $5 payment threshold, which is a great starting point. Now, the first thing you need to do is sign up to this website. Once you are done signing up, this is what your brand new account should look like. The first thing you'll notice is a series of surveys that you must complete in order to earn money. You can see more ways to earn money by simply scrolling down. Earn points can be found on the left-hand side of the website, while home surveys, watch, and offers fall under this category. Now, all you need to do is click on Watch to begin earning, and that will then take you to this page where you can see how it all works. You'll see the exact instructions or offer details. If you hover your mouse in these 2 options, then you can pick your favorite offer and begin watching. We will use Lootably for this video. After clicking Lootably, you'll be taken to this page where you'll find a list of all the videos you can watch. Along with the points you'll gain from each, we will select and watch a random video as an example. After selecting one, you will be taken to another page where they will ask you to sign up so they can monitor your points and pay you. Let's log into my account now so I can show you what you'll see. Once you've signed up, so right here you'll see all the suggested videos you can watch and make money from. Depending on the videos you watch, you can make as much as you want for this site. So to get the best result, watch as many videos as possible. Now moving on to the second site on our list is inboxdollars.com. This is a fairly well-known website. In fact, a large number of individuals use it to earn money by watching videos. The best part is you can earn $5 immediately just by signing up, which is just amazing. To cash out on this website, you will need to accumulate $10, which is very attainable. Moreover, since you already have a $5 sign-up bonus, you just need to earn the remaining $5 so that you can cash them out right away. As you can see here, you can earn points from watching videos, taking surveys, and by shopping and doing cash offers. However, we will only discuss getting paid from watching videos because this one pays the most. So let's have a look on how these website works. If you scroll down, you'll see here that businesses pay them for consumers' inputs who they recruit just like you and me, who will then be doing online activities such as watching videos, taking surveys, and so much more. And in return, we will earn cash and cash along. You will learn more how to make money with this site as we continue to scroll down this page. And the website itself provides all the information. As you can see here, big brands companies want consumers to watch short snippets of their content like movie trailers or new product features. They pay the website and the site share a portion of those earnings with us. So it makes it apparent that you will receive a portion of their payment, and this is how you will earn money using the site. Now all you have to do is look for the purple sign up button at the bottom of the page. Click on it and you'll get a $5 sign up bonus right away. This is a quite reasonable technique to make a substantial amount of money online. Moving on to the third app is piecoworkers.com. This is a fantastic site to use if you're looking to make money online as a complete beginner. On this website, users are completing simple tasks. They may even offer you tasks that require you to watch movies on the internet. On the other hand, if you're searching for a past profit, they can provide you with small projects, which are also quite simple to do. As a result, you will earn decent money straight into your PayPal account. So if you want to make your first cash online, sign up with piecoworkers right now, which I'm confident you'll be able to manage on your own. Ucubes.com. As you can see here, they have over 700,000 members and were established since 2007. So you can basically earn cash online by viewing different websites, completing surveys, and more importantly, watching videos. In order to sign up for a free account, all you gotta do is just click on this button right here where it says sign up free, and that will then take you to this page where you can see right here sign up. It's free. Now you're just going to enter your email address, create a password, fill out your full name, username, gender, and date of birth, and choose your country of residence by clicking this drop down arrow. So as you can see, they are accepting people from all countries around the world. And I'm just curious where you're coming from watching this right now. Let me know in the comments section below so in the future I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. Now from here, how did you hear about them? You can just type in YouTube and then just tick on I'm not a robot and click register. And from there, you can now watch a simple YouTube video, just like this one, for about 30 to 60 seconds and get paid by doing so. A shorter video will pay you less money, while a longer one will pay you more. As part of the bonus tips that I usually do is I just mute the video and just let it play in the background without actively watching it. And generally, I open up multiple tabs, and in every tab, I open up different videos. By doing so, you can essentially make more money in much lesser time. And another thing that I usually do is make use of both of my smartphone and laptop to watch different videos so that I could speed up the earnings as well. So from there, I want to share with you a few tips right on YouTube that will allow you to watch the videos faster. As you can see here, when you click on settings, which is represented by the gear icon, and then click on playback speed, you can actually double up the speed of the video by clicking on 2. By doing so, you can actually watch a 30-second video in just 15 seconds because the speed right now is doubled. That's actually one of the very effective strategies to make money faster by simply watching YouTube videos. Another tip that I want to share with you is that you can actually turn down the quality of the video as well. As you can see here, my default, it should be auto, but you can actually choose 144p instead. By doing so, you're going to save data connection and save more time. If you have a slow internet connection, boxinside.com. As you can see here, we can get paid every 10 seconds. That's what I love about this website. You can just watch a very short video, like 10 seconds, and can get paid. The best part about this website is that you can cash out instantly once you reach the $2 threshold. On their website, they literally show you the latest 250 payments that they sent out to people from all over the world. As you can see here, they're accepting people worldwide. They are very transparent when it comes to all the payments that they send out to people. You can see here all the usernames with their country's flags. You can also see all the payment methods, including PayPal, AirTM, Coinbase, Perfect Money, Advance Cash, and so much more. You can also see their total earnings. Let's say, for example, this guy right here has a total earnings of $956 just by watching videos on this website, which is just incredible. Next, this guy right here has total earnings of $1,479, and this one has over $2,385, even over $5,900, which is crazy. This is just from one website. Now, make sure to keep watching to know all of these 4 websites before you go in and try them out yourself. So in order to get started with boxinside.com, you need to sign up for a free account. To do so, click on this register button right up here, and that's going to take you to the Box Insight registration form where you need to create a username, enter your login or payment email address, and under the referral section, you can just leave it blank. Next, just choose your preferred currency for cashing out and choose your preferred payment method. For the payment methods, you can see here you can choose from PayPal, Advance Cash, Perfect Money, Coinbase, and AirTM. So for me, personally, I definitely prefer PayPal because it's more convenient. And if you like PayPal just like me, make sure to comment down below. Let me know as well. So from there, just select your birth year, and right at the bottom, you need to choose what they're asking for by clicking one of these icons. This is just to prove that you're not a bot. After that, just click on register right here. FusionCash.net. The best thing about this website is that they do pay you to sign up for a free account. As you can see here, they give you a $5 sign-up bonus, 100% free, for just signing up for an account. Now, all you have to do is simply simply click on this button where it says get $5 so you can register for a free account. And then just fill out your username, email address, password, and zip code, and just click on the register button. Now, one thing to take note is that make sure you confirm your email address. Make sure you check your inbox for the verification link. Once you're done signing up, you can now watch the different videos and start making money. You can also complete different tasks, download mobile apps, play games, and refer friends to make money with FusionCash.net. Virazoo.com. This is definitely a legit website. You can earn free gift cards and cash right on this website. As you can see here, they've been paying out a lot of cash to all their members around the world, and they've been featured in Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Hoarder, and also on the Wall Street Journal. And this is basically how it works. First, you need to join Virazoo. Next, in order to earn points, you need to watch videos. After earning points, you can then convert it into gift cards or cash rewards through PayPal. Now, one thing to take note is that you can earn points not by just watching videos, but also through downloading apps, taking paid surveys, completing offers, and playing games. Now, in order to start making money with Virazoo, you need to sign up for a free account. To do so, just click on this button right here where it says get started, and that's going to take you to this page where you can join automatically using your Facebook account, or you can also manually fill out your email address, first name, last name, and password, and just click create account. So right off the bat, this is what your dashboard would look like. And here are a few tips you can earn extra free points by just simply setting up your profile, such as answering a few questions, verifying your email, uploading your profile image, and so on and so forth. And from there, when you click on this button where it says reward store, you can choose your country. If you're coming from the US, you can click on this button. If you're coming from Canada, you can click on this one, or if you're coming from any other country, you can just click on this button where it says any country. And the only way we can cash out on this website is actually through PayPal. So you can receive your earnings via PayPal by simply watching videos. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, check out my other videos. See you in the next video!